What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Shocco's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. Let's get into the ingredients. 120 grams of soft butter, 75 grams of light brown sugar, 75 grams of golden caster sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, 180 grams of plain flour, bicarbonate soda, 150 grams of either chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, or you can do both like me. And this is the extra stuff you'll need to be able to make the recipe. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line your tins or tray with the baking paper, like so. You might need to fiddle around here a bit to get it to stay down. Next, you're going to want to sieve your flour into a separate bowl, like this. This might take a minute, so I'm just going to cut ahead in the video until it's all sieved. Now, empty your sugars and butter into a bowl. You might need a spoon or a knife to get the last little bit of butter if it's stuck to the bowl. Bring your bowl over to your mixer and turn onto a medium speed until light and fluffy. Next, you're going to crack your egg. Little tip, do it into a bowl in case you get any shells like that. And then you can add to the mix. And you're going to also want to measure out 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do it over a bowl in case you spill any. And then you mix until it's well combined. You want to get half a teaspoon of the bicarbonate and sieve it into the flour like that. Once your mix is nicely mixed, pour in your flour and bicarbonate mixture as well as the chocolate, and grab a spoon and stir until everything is nicely combined. So now take a spoonful of your cookie dough and place it onto your tray. Mold a bit and make sure to leave enough room between each cookie so they can expand. In the oven, you're going to want to do about 10 of these. Once you have all the cookies laid out on your trays, put them in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until they become crisp on the edge and soft in the middle. Once you've taken them out of the oven, place the tray onto a wire rack and let it cool for a few minutes. Then after that, take them off the tray and put them directly onto the wire rack and let them cool for another few minutes. Then you can put it onto a plate and enjoy your cookies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what recipe you want to see me make next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!